90% of people study completely wrong, and nobody ever tells them why. You can spend hours studying and still forget everything the next day. Imagine reading a chapter for 2 hours, closing the book, and realizing you remember almost nothing. The problem is not your memory. The problem is how you study. Your brain doesn't learn by reading again and again, but this is what most people do. Rereading feels productive, but your brain quickly gets used to the information. Real learning happens when your brain struggles to recall something. This method is called active recall. Instead of reading the page again, please close the book and attempt to explain the idea in your own words. When you force your brain to remember, neural connections become stronger. But there's another trick that makes learning even faster. Spaced repetition. Instead of study everything in one day, you review information over several days. Each time you review, the memory becomes stronger. So if you want to learn faster, remember these 2 rules. Number 1, stop repeat reading. Number 2, practice active recall. Because the smartest learners don't study longer, they study smart. And the next video reveals the learning trick top students use to study 10 times faster. So, subscribe and stay tuned.